Do you say je ne sais pas or je sais pas? Or even, do you use faster spoken French and say je sais pas? If you're using the full ne pas structure in French, you might sound a little bit formal and stilted. Use this one simple tip instead to sound more friendly in French and speak like everyday normal French people do. C'est parti! In French, as you probably learned at school, in order to make a negative sentence, we add ne and pas around the verb. For example, je sais for I know. Repeat after me. Je sais. You can notice here that the S at the end of sais for I know is silent. So repeat again. Je sais. And now if we want to make this sentence negative, we would say je ne sais pas, following the rule that we mentioned before. Je ne sais pas is I don't know. Repeat after me. Je ne sais pas. As you can see as well, the S at the end of pas is silent too. Je ne sais pas. Once again, repeat after me. Je ne sais pas. Good. When speaking French though, in everyday conversations, buying bread at the boulangerie or whatever, French people very often drop the ne. We just don't say it. So this je ne sais pas, when we drop the ne, becomes je sais pas. Repeat after me. Je sais pas. Good. And in even more common French, we might remove the e of je and say je sais pas or even je sais pas. So here, if we want to analyze the sounds a little bit, we say je sais pas with the sh and the s sound, or even remove the s sound and say je sais pas. Okay, so I would never write this, ever, but this is how French people speak, and this will really help you understand the movies that you watch, or the TV shows, or the podcasts that you love, because this is how people actually speak. That's really the basics of it. We drop the ne in ne pas. So if we drop the ne in ne pas, what stays is the pas after the verb. So let's take another example. J'ai compris for I understood. J'ai compris. Repeat after me. J'ai compris. Good. Here you can notice that the S at the end of compris is silent and O and M make a on sound, the nasal on. And we don't like to say je and ai, it sounds ugly. We don't say je ai, we say j'ai. Je becomes j'ai before a vowel. So repeat after me. J'ai compris. One last time. J'ai compris. Good. So in the correct formal negative way, it makes, can you guess? Je n'ai pas compris. I didn't understand. Here you can notice that the ne in the negation in front of the e became ne. Je n'ai pas compris. So repeat after me. Je n'ai pas compris. Another time. Je n'ai pas compris. Good. But in spoken French, remember, we remove the ne, we only keep the pas. So we should say j'ai pas compris in everyday modern French. J'ai pas compris for I didn't understand. Repeat after me. J'ai pas compris. Another time. J'ai pas compris. And it works for all subjects as well, such as tu as pas compris, you didn't understand, or even better, t'as pas compris, because the tu becomes t apostrophe before a vowel. So in everyday spoken French, we would say t'as pas compris, you didn't understand, t'as pas compris. Repeat after me. T'as pas compris. And the voice goes a little bit up because it's a question. T'as pas compris? Good. Let's use another subject. On. On n'a pas compris. We didn't understand. On n'a pas compris. The trick here is that with la liaison, you can hear the N at the end of on. It is usually silent, but because we have a vowel after, you can hear it. So when you hear on n'a pas compris in normal everyday spoken French, it sounds like the ne is actually there. And the thing is that dropping the ne also works for all kinds of negative forms. It works for ne plus, not anymore, ne plus, and ne jamais, to never do something. Remember what we just saw? We saw that we have je ne sais pas, then je sais pas, and in everyday French we would say je sais pas. It works the same with plus. Je ne sais plus. Repeat after me. I don't know anymore. Je ne sais plus. Here you can notice when you heard me say it that the S at the end of plus is silent because this is not anymore. Okay? When you say the S, it means more. Here it's not anymore. Je ne sais plus. Repeat after me. Je ne sais plus. Good. Now we remove the ne. So we have je sais plus. Repeat after me. Je sais plus. Then we remove the e at the end of je and we have kind of a je sais plus or je sais plus. Repeat after me. Je sais plus. We have the sh sound. Je sais plus. Using the ne is really all about being more formal or more poetic. You can hear it in songs and speeches as well.
Je ne sais pas, je ne sais plus, je suis perdu.
And we saw that it works with jamais as well. So let's look at an example. Je ne sais jamais. I never know. Repeat after me. Je ne sais jamais. Again, je ne sais jamais. The S at the end of jamais is silent, okay? Again, je ne sais jamais. When we remove the ne, it makes je sais jamais. Je sais jamais. Good. Dropping the ne is part of the tricks of fast spoken French in everyday life. Some French people drop letters, syllables, some drop entire small words. All that so they can speak French faster. If you want to understand fast spoken French much better, I made a playlist right here for you so you can improve your pronunciation and understanding of fast spoken French in everyday life. Just click here on your screen and I will see you in the next video. Salut!